Yeah,
I'm sorry, but I have to ask you a question.
sure.
Were you suggesting that we would make agreements that don't comply with?
No. I was not speaking to you. But there were agreements.
You actually
As I
were
said,
speaking
I'm
to
not-
us. You were speaking to us.
No.
We want you to look over the board so that these agreements are not made.
That's-
When the liaisons say they're autonomous, agreements are made, obviously.
And the boards are not autonomous, not when it comes to non-compliance with town and state law. They're compliant in looking and deciding on the site plan that's in front of them, and they may make decisions about it that I disagree with, but I do hold that that's their decision. And if I don't agree, I know that there are courses for me as a resident to take. What I object to is that my elected officials not watching closely enough or concerned enough about the residents' concerns. And we have raised the concern about fees since 2004. So we are 4 years later. It is no surprise to many people in this room that you could really owe us money. Not a surprise whatsoever. I can't believe it was a surprise to the people that sat up on that board, on the planning board, on the zoning board, the lawyers involved in our town. Everybody had to have known. We told them about it and told them about it. And if they didn't want to look into it, I think that's irresponsible. I don't understand how this went on for 4 years.
Do you see a change in how things are working?
I do see a change, but we cannot move forward without taking a look at what went on behind us. It's not responsible. And now you people do know. We've made you all aware. So it's not about the past, it's about right now. And I know you are working
Do you see us
very,
looking?
very
Do you
hard.
see us looking at what's happening?
I see you
consistently.
looking, I see you
I just
looking
want.
at
I just want to know if you know. I'm not
Look,
fighting you. I just
Katie,
want to
you've
know.
done this a lot. I started a letter to you. I don't even know if you read it yet. It
Eileen.
said, thank you very much for everything you've
We're
done.
having this communication problem again.
No, we're not having, okay. It's
No,
not,
what I'm saying is.
somebody here help me.
What I'm
It's
saying,
coming
what
from
I'm
my
saying,
deep
Eileen,
inside
is, what I'm asking you actually is,
Yeah.
is I want to know if you see we're doing, I know I'm doing the
She
work.
answered that.
I know, that's all I'm asking. I'm not trying to get you all fired up.
I promise you from now on, before I say anything, I will tell you how I feel in terms of what you are doing, that I very much appreciate. And I understand that you do need that kind of affirmation, we all do. But you know and I know you are trying your best. But I am saying to you that there is a very frustrated constituency out there that has for 4 years been telling you, Judy, I wrote you a letter in 2006. Mr. Starloff, you were CC'd on that letter. Site plan went ahead. Nobody said, wait a minute, let's check on fees. So maybe I am talking to some people. Nick, every time we brought this up to you, you said, the board is autonomous, I can't do a thing. I have a reason to be frustrated. I have spent 4.5 years of my life trying to be heard. Now I think I'm being heard, but there's still lots of things to clear up. But somebody else say something and I was wrong.
I would